2023 C8 Stingray. What was the package? What did you say for the performance package?
Z51.
Z51. Beautiful sound. All that red stitching, Alcantara, top removable roof.
Come on.
And it's very new to you, so you are still learning how to use it, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, there's another one. That's the one I wanted.
That's the white one you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the lesson? Too much of waiting, little hesitation, and somebody else got it, right?
Yeah, but you know, there's a reason for that. There's always a reason for waiting.
I like your attitude. I like it. And I agree with you. I never wanted a red Corvette, right? It's just too flashy. Everybody can see you, but
yeah.
I sing your song. Oh my god, nice driving. That's a lot of G's. Wow. Wow. Nice. Nice. Absolutely incredible, Bill.
And it drives nice. I mean, you know, I don't necessarily like this steering wheel.
People complain about it in videos. They say that's a joke.
It takes a while to get used to it.
Yes. A lot of complaints I saw online about that steering wheel. Yeah.
Too much traffic.
Yep. But already through those curves as you went, it just grips the ground.
It tells you the G-force right there.
I saw that, yeah, it's incredible. And this mirror here, I agree with you, crystal clear picture on it. This is absolutely mind-boggling how good that mirror works. Incredible. AC works perfectly. I'm completely comfortable here. Super nice.
You know what car is really fast?
I don't know which one.
The Tesla.
Oh yeah.
The big Tesla is faster than this thing.
Oh yeah, with dual motors, right? If it has that fast package.
Even that little Tesla that my wife's got, that thing's gets up and goes too.
Yep. Yeah, that the response of the engine is unreal. How quickly it accelerates and revs up. Unbelievable. Well, what a toy you got yourself. What a toy. You changed the modes, or what did you do?
I changed it to sport mode, so it makes
Okay.
gives it a little bit more of this, and it makes more noise.
Okay, cool.
Opens up the
Yeah,
exhaust.
let's do that. Yeah. Absolutely incredible. Just beautiful. And you get this from the factory, which blows my mind. Absolutely incredible.
You'd think with the engine in the back that you make more noise in your ears, huh?
There might be some settings later you will discover even for the more noise, who knows. That's it, yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Incredible sound.
Get this guy out of the way.
He's driving fast too.
Because it's so low, it feels like you're going faster than you really are. Speed limit of the area you're in.
I'm sure they will let you in the softwares to get rid of it. I just saw it on Kati's GMC Yukon. You can get rid of it in the software. I'm assuming Corvette will let you do the same.
There's some pretty flowers.
That is pretty. Oh, we are in the Auburn suddenly. Nice.
Okay, you ready to drive?
I hope so. So here is the standard view of the driver cockpit, because this is really like a cockpit of the airplane, will you not say? Some people are commenting on it. All the buttons here, incredible.
Yeah, these don't have anything to do with driving. This is all temperature and seat and all that other stuff.
Yeah, absolutely mind-blowing, the quality what they did here. It's just incredible. Bose performance speakers right here, just incredible in the case you wanna go and even travel with it, right? Because then you might listen music. Here on this test drive we will never listen to music, because we want to listen this music from right there. That's the music. Well, I think you have a lot of to learn about it in the software and so on.
I need to read the book.
Oh, yeah.
I only know the basics.
Yeah, yeah.